In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the video background in Clipchamp. Whether you're editing a simple project or crafting a professional video, mastering background changes is an essential skill. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to clipchamp.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in to get started. Once you're at the Clipchamp login page, select Continue with Microsoft. This option allows you to seamlessly log in using your Microsoft account, which is particularly handy if you want a quick login process without creating an additional user account. After signing in, you'll be directed to the home page of Clipchamp. Here, look for the option to create a new video and click on it. This button is your gateway to entering the video editor, where all the creative magic happens. With the video editor open, the next step is to import the video footage that you wish to alter. Click the Import Media button to upload the video file from your computer. Once your media is imported, you'll see it appear in the media library. Simply drag your video clip down onto the timeline. This action places your video in the workspace, allowing you to make various editing adjustments. Now focus your attention on the content library, which you can access by clicking Content Library in the editor. Here, navigate to the Backgrounds section. You have a variety of background options at your disposal, each providing a different look and feel to your video. Select the background that best suits your project needs. With your chosen background in hand, drag and drop it onto a track in the timeline. Adjust its duration and positioning to sync perfectly with your video footage. You'll notice that Clipchamp offers an intuitive drag and drop feature that simplifies this process, so feel free to play around until you find the right fit. For those of you working with green screen footage, Clipchamp provides an alternative method to change backgrounds by utilizing effects. Move to the Effects tab within the editor. This will allow you to apply the green screen effect by selecting green screen as your choice of effect. Once applied, this will replace green areas in your video with the background you've added earlier. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to change a video background in Clipchamp. With this skill in your toolkit, the creative possibilities are endless. You can now easily transform any ordinary footage into something polished and visually impressive. Keep exploring and practicing to enhance your video editing prowess even further. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Happy editing!